Welcome back. So today I learned in Solidworks something I didn't even know, and I've been using Solidworks since like the 1800s or so. And so let's see, I made this little plaque. By some miracle, I got 50 subscribers. Thank you very much to those 50 awesome people. And I said, I should have a feature where I can sort of hang this thing by. And so I could put like a hole to hang it by or something, and maybe I'll just do a placeholder, and I can make just a hole, and I can make an adapter for the hole later or something like that. But I said, oh, I can't just put it in the center because it'll be lopsided, so I need to find the center of mass. So I know if I go to mass properties, I can get that. So if I go Shift M is my shortcut for mass properties, and then I click this checkbox here, create center of mass feature, and then I X out of this, and so then this feature shows up center of mass, and that's good and all. And then so I go into my sketch here, and if I select this and this, I have no option to make them coincident or concentric or anything like that, which was a little bit disappointing. Not too surprising. And so I asked ChatGPT, I don't know if I move this over, will you be able to see it? Yeah. So I asked ChatGPT how I could do it. That's funny. I like joking with AI. That makes me a weirdo, maybe. Anyway, so basically said that yeah, you can't. Yeah, correct. You can't do that in SolidWorks. Though you could type in you could write down the coordinates and enter them manually, but obviously it wouldn't update. And I'm like, yeah, tell me something I don't know. ChatGPT, but it didn't. So then I said, all right, well, instead of typing in the numbers, I'm just going to make it close enough. I'm like, I can just make this close enough. And so I make my circle, and I go to put it, I'm going to make it close, right? Bam, it snaps right to it. So yeah, I can't select both and make them coincident like you typically can in the SolidWorks sketch. But if you just drag it, it will snap to it, and that puts it right on the center. So there you go. So now I have the center of mass, and I believe it would update. Let's test that theory. So if I roll back behind that and I make a sketch and I just make this big heavy feature and throw the center of mass way off, and then so then the center mass moved. Yep. And then, so then if I go see it, and so it did update. So there you go. So then I told the AI that it turns out that this works, and then it gave me a nice long speech of how as I always tell people, limitations to the software are more likely limitations to your imagination. The software is never going to be perfect, but you can, millions of engineers use this stuff successfully all the time to make very complex models. And I could show you some very complex models if I was not under an NDA. But in any case, today I learned that you can constrain to the mass properties, just not by just by drag and snap, which is weird, but it works. Thanks for watching. If you like this, like, subscribe. What's the other ones? Comment. Tell me it was dumb or whatever. Like everybody knew that, and help me get more viewers. Appreciate it. Thank you.